Alright, we're making an eyelash tutorial. Tip. Step 1, be in a fucking hurry, because that's what always happens. I'm always in a hurry trying to do my fucking eyelashes. Step 2, have some glue that's halfway dried out. That makes it hard as fuck to get the glue out, because you gotta like fucking... Look. Here it comes finally. God damn. Dab that on the lash band. Like so. Okay. You keep squeezing with your other hand, because remember the glue dried out in the bottle. So, you know, you can get some exercise with that hand. 3, have your tweezers. I probably should have said that in the beginning, but I ain't never organized. So, you just pull out shit when you pull out shit. Have your mirror and have your face looking bald as fuck. Alright, let's try. Let's see if we can get on the first try. Alright. You're going to take the eyelash band. And you're going to put it close to your face. Then you're going to look in the mirror and try and put it right above your own eyelashes. Now, you're going to fuck up. That's like a guarantee. No fuck up is coming. Like, I fucked up. I already fucked up. And I think I put this on the wrong eye. But guess what? That's how the day finna go. Believe you me. Put it on the wrong eye. Shit, I'm finna go on happily. Whatever. You know, shit. Alright, get the other eyelash. Make sure it's nowhere near close. Because you want to have to look for that bitch. Because, you know, we ain't organized up in here. We doing this shit in the car anyway. Now, when I tell y'all I'm running late for work because my dog is fucking Houdini, this little spoiled ass bitch just cannot stay in the grass. She's like, I gotta be on the porch. Mother, I was just not built for the grass. And it's my fault. I know it's my fucking fault. Because when I had that dog in college, goddamn, I used to just carry her ass. But I did put these shits on backwards. And I'm not taking them off. Alright, here we go again with your dried out glue. Keep squeezing that bitch till a little come out. There we go. I'm going to just buy some more. Psych. I'm going to keep using this bitch until I get all my money's worth. Unless it go on sale somewhere. Now, my glue is black because this is not eyelash glue. This is hair bonding glue. So don't rip these bitches off. You better take a shower, stick your face in the warm water, and let that bitch come off by itself. Alright. Got the other eyelash. Let's try again. I mean, the day already gone to shit because I got them on backwards anyway. Put that bitch on. Put it on that side. Then you gotta flick it up. Look at the flick of my wrist. There we go, there we go. And now my eyes are no longer bald. Take a look at yourself, viewer. You're fucking beautiful. All right, bye.